Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials so you don't waste time. Check your signal bars, make sure airplane mode is off and the SIM is active. A quick restart clears transient issues. Once done, open the phone app and verify call volume and microphone permissions in settings. If the other party can't hear you, switch between earpiece and speaker to isolate the problem. These first actions rule out simple causes and set up the device for deeper troubleshooting if needed. Now you tackle network and app layers, which often hide the fault. Toggle mobile data and Wi-Fi calling and try a call each way to see which path fails. Clear the phone app cache, and if necessary, force stop then reopen it to remove bad state. This resolves many VoIP and SIP handoffs. Make sure carrier settings and Android updates are installed. Outdated firmware can break voice channels. If you use third-party dialers, disable them briefly to confirm the native app's behavior. To finish, perform advanced resets carefully. Reset network settings to restore default APNs or remove and reinsert the SIM to rebuild registration. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps interfering with audio or SIP stacks. Make a test call there. When all else fails, gather call times, error patterns, and any logs, then contact your carrier so they can trace the session. Tip: if calls drop or are one-way, test with a different phone on the same SIM to isolate device versus network causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.